Welcome back, everybody, to Lesson 4, Activities E, F, and G. Again, I am in Microsoft OneNote, so this is going to look a little bit different than it is for you in Teams, but it's the same stuff. All right, guys, let's get into Activity E. This is the activity where we first find the vowel sounds, and then we underline the word parts. So let's first find the vowel sounds in this first word. We're going to underline it, and then we're going to figure out the word parts. So, first vowel sound, I. Ooh, I meant to do like an underline thing, and that didn't go very well. So the first vowel sound is I. Second vowel sound, R. First word part. Now, I believe, guys, that this is correct, that we separate the Z's, but I'm not 100% sure, so I will find out from you tonight or tomorrow, and I will let you guys know. First word part, blizz. Second word part, zard. Now, when I put the word together, let's see if the way I said it makes sense. Blizzard. I know that when people say this word, though, even though it's written with an AR, we actually pronounce it blizzard. It's one of those weird words in English where it doesn't exactly match up with the vowel sounds. But the whole word is blizzard. Let's go to the second word. The vowel sound is aw. The whole word is haunt. I forgot to remind you guys about word parts and vowel sounds. A vowel sound is in one word part. So for every vowel sound, you have the same number of word parts. So in blizzard, we have 2 vowel sounds, so that means we have how many word parts? 2. In haunt, we have 1 vowel sound, so how many word parts? 1. Let's go on to our next word. And I know a lot of you guys would know how to say this on your own anyway, but I do want to do it this special way so you can use it. You can practice this word with words that you don't know. All right, first vowel sound, ah. Second vowel sound, I. Third vowel sound. So if we have 3 vowel sounds, how many word parts is that? 3 word parts. So let's do our U's underneath the first word part. What word part is that? Hall. Second word part, id. Third word part, a. Hall, I, day. The whole word? Holiday. Excellent, guys. I want you to now take the time to do the same thing for the rest of the words in Activity E, and I want you to say these words to yourself as you do it. And then when you will send it to me, and I'll make sure that you underlined and did the U's correctly underneath. Let's go to Activity F. So for Activity F, I think this is a fun one where I say a word incorrectly because I'm messing up the sounds and the names of the vowels, and you say it correctly. So the first word is principal. At the beginning of the school day, the principal made announcements. What should the word be? Principal. Contaminate. The oil spill will contaminate the ocean. What word should it be? Contaminate. Next word, argument. During the argument, the boys and girls yelled at each other and refused to listen. What word should it be? Argument. Next word, happiness. We showed our happiness by smiling. What word should it be? Happiness. Last word, Let me try that again, guys. Saying it the wrong way is kind of hard. Pollution. The river was dirty and full of pollution. What word should it be? Pollution. Great job with activity F. Let's go on to activity G. You are going to learn more prefixes. Where do we find prefixes? At the beginning of words. Point to the first column. Where's my little thing? In the first box. I'm actually going to change my cursor because right now I have it on the drawing one and I want the arrow back. There we go. So let's do that again. Point to the first column in the first box. The first word is permit. What word? Permit. Point to the circled prefix. The prefix is per. Say it. Per. Point to the next word. The word is unfair. What word? Unfair. Point to the circled prefix. The prefix is un. Say it. Un. Point to the next word. The word is afraid. What word? Point to the circled prefix. The prefix is Say it. Find the second column. Read the prefixes. What prefix? Per. What prefix? Un. What prefix? Find. Oh, all right, we already read that. Sorry guys, got a little mixed up. But now we're going to go to line 1 and we are going to read each prefix. So again, I'm going to ask you what the prefix is, you say it, and then I will say it, and you can hear if you were correct. What prefix? Per. What prefix? Con. What prefix? D. What prefix? Un. What prefix? In. What prefix? Line 2. What prefix? Con. What prefix? What prefix? Dis. What prefix? Im. What prefix? Ad. What prefix? Pro. Line 3. What prefix? Pre. What prefix? Com. What prefix? Miss. What prefix? Per. What prefix? Ab. What prefix? Re. Line 4, almost there. What prefix? Un. What prefix? Con. What prefix? Be. What prefix? Per. What prefix? Com. What prefix? All right, great job, you guys. We are going to stop this video here, and then the next video will be us moving on to activity H.